Hey, my Scrappin friends, welcome to another show and tell. Yes, it's finally here. Christmas is here, Folio album. And this is a tutorial that has two folios in it. So you can either make the smaller version or the bigger version of it. So this tutorial does have both of them in it, okay? So 2 for the price of 1. Yay! So yes, it is finally here. Now I don't have the big one decorated yet, but I have the little one decorated. So I wanted to go ahead and show you. So here it is. Let's do the big one just here real quick. And then I'll do the little one. The big one measures 10 by 11. It does have my the Craft Text binding on it. Both of them do. And Craft Text, if you haven't used it yet, is wonderful, wonderful. Okay, and I just made mine out of the Craft Color cardstock from Hobby Lobby. So it opens up. This one's going to be hard to keep on camera, but I'll do my best. So this side opens up. The sides don't mirror each other. Each side is different. So you open it up and you have a nice big pocket here. Another nice big pocket here. And then you have a belly band, okay? And then that flap just kind of keeps everything nice and tidy. And this is just here for decorations. I started decorating it and I thought, well, I was doing this with it. So that's nothing there. But this opens up, okay, like that. And then this opens up and you have that. You have a pocket right here. And then you have a belly band here. And then once you take the stuff out of the belly band, you have a flap that flaps open, okay? So then these just kind of keeps that all nice and tidy. Okay, and these flip, and then you have a pocket here. So let me grab one of these. So then you have a pocket here, okay? Then you have a flap here that you can decorate as a, oh, what did I call those? It's a, you just put it together just like a quilt. I developed this, oh gosh, probably almost 2 years ago. And you just decorate it up, and I'll show you in the smaller one. And then you have a pocket here. Okay. Then slide it over. Then this opens. And then this opens. And then that opens up. So you can hold quite a few pictures in here. Some nice big pictures in here. Like I said, this one is 10 by 11. So let's do, oops, I need to put that, I'll just slide it there. Let me show you the smaller one. Now this one here is 6.5 by 8, and again, it's got the Craft Text spine on it. There's the back. So it opens up, and there's your spine here. So then you have a pocket here, and I just made a little booklet that opens up. And it just slides right back into this pocket. And I used my middle tab file folder to create this right here. You can use your envelope punch board. This album comes together pretty quick, guys. Fairly easy to make, too. And then it just goes down inside here. Then you open it up. And, of course, we have that belly band. And then I just made a couple of cards. And I decorated this with the Holly Jolly from Simple Stories. Very cute paper. Okay. Okay, so now let's go to the other side. So this opens up, and then you have a flap here. Okay, and the pocket is on the inside of this one. Now in the bigger one, the pocket is on the outside, and then this piece attaches to here. Okay, then you have a little belly band here on both those, and a pocket on the front, and I just decorated them up. Okay, and that shuts. And then here is this page I was telling you about that you can decorate it up however. Patchwork page, that's what it is. I called it my patchwork page. And you just decorate it with scraps that you have left over. And that's, I did this a long time ago, and I love doing it. So if you, and I did give you instructions in the tutorial if you do not want to do this page here, okay? So I did do that for you guys, and then this opens up. It just fits right back in there. And this flips open, then that flips, and then that flips. Very cute. And it goes together really easy, guys. It's a quick and easy folio. I guess I really should have counted how many photographs this would hold. I'm guessing probably well over 75 would be my guess. So here it is, guys. You go to my website, scrappinitup.com. I will put the link down below where you can get this. There's the 8x10 one and the 6.5 by 8, or 6 by 8.5. So you get both these folios in this one tutorial, okay? So if you want to go check it out, go to scrappinitup.com. and pick your tutorial up. Okay, we will be talking to you guys later. Bye-bye.